Right everyone, Web Collector here. Right, this is a review of the Brinyte PT28 Oathkeeper flashlight. So when you buy this is the whole package you would get. You get the flashlight, the manuals, a nice tactical case, magnetic USB wire, so the actual connector is magnetic. Nice quality wire that is as well, charging wire. A couple of spare O-rings, a lanyard, and the BR tactical ring, which I'll explain later on. That can be attached to the torch really easily. So this is the torch itself. As I said, it's the PT28 Oathkeeper from Brinyte. There's their logo there, Brinyte. So this is a multi-mode flashlight and has a maximum output of 1600 lumens. I'll go over all the specs and that eventually, but I'll just show you the actual torch first. So Cree LED, aircraft aluminium body, really well made. You got pocket clip, cutouts for the switch at the back so that your thumb can fit in there really easily, lanyard holes. The tactical ring just inserts on the back there by taking it off. 18650 battery that comes with it, so you get a 3100 milliamp hour battery with the flashlight, which is always a bonus. If you buy flashlights and you notice they're a little bit more expensive, it's normally because you're getting the battery with it. A lot of flashlights, if they don't have the battery, are a lot cheaper. So that's the actual flashlight. Let's just take a quick close-up of some of the accessories. So this is the case, and you can mount the flashlight in it so that it can actually be turned on while in the case. So the button is exposed at the top, which you can see there. The head is exposed at the bottom. Got a little bit there, not sure what that's actually put in, maybe the wire, maybe the lanyard. It's also got a cutout on the side for the tactical ring, and that is actually what the tactical ring is for. The tactical ring is so you can get the torch out really quickly out of the case. So that's the case, adjustable plastic buckle on the back. It's quite a nice little case really. Rigid, yeah, quite a nice, well thought out case. So that's the case. The lanyard there, don't really need to show you that too much detail. And the wire, there's the magnetic head, and then just standard USB the other side. And then there's your spare O-rings. So a couple of the features that the flashlight has, as mentioned, it has turbo, high, middle, low, strobe and SOS, all done by this button at the front. So the back one turns it on and off, and this one changes the modes. This is also the battery indicator. So depending on the battery status, this will actually light up with different colours depending on, there you go, it's just coming on now. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but that's green, so that means it's got higher than 70% battery. And then it will cycle through, I think it's green, orange, red, as it gets lower and lower and lower. There's your magnetic charger there. Pocket clip is easily removable. To take the battery out, just unscrew the back. Yeah, it's a nice size as well, fits your hand well, as you can see. good sort of tactical design to it. So what I'll do now quickly, I'll show you some footage outside in various different circumstances so you can get to see how good the actual beam is and how much this lights up, and some footage indoors. You can also very quickly and very easily mount this flashlight to a crossbow using these very inexpensive 1-inch diameter mounts. You can mount this kind of flashlight very easily on a crossbow, either at the front, underneath, or on top as you would of a pistol crossbow. This would be better off on the other side, but if I have it that side you won't be able to see it. So yeah, as you can see, very easily attaches to a crossbow as well, and quickly detachable as well. So there it is. And you can get those mounts actually from Brinyte's website as well. Right, so you saw the torch outside. I'll just quickly go over some of the settings for it and their specifications. So the turbo is 1600 plus lumens and would run for an hour and 9 minutes. The high is 360 lumens and would run for 210 minutes. Middle is 60 lumens and would run for 960 minutes. Low is 10 lumens and would run for 5880 minutes. And the strobe and the SOS are 1600 lumens. Beam distance is 245 meters. It's impact resistant to 1 meter, and it's IP68 water resistant. So as you can see, it's a proper decent flashlight really. I've been EDCing this for a while, really like it. I like the multiple modes on it, decent power. I do like that it tells you the battery power straight from that little light, really good feature. So the price on this I think is $122, or that's about £90 in the UK. And remember, you get all the accessories and the battery. That makes a hell of a difference really. You can get these kind of torches for a lot cheaper. They won't have as many modes as this and as many features, but a lot of the times they're cheaper because they don't have a battery with them. It does make a difference. So yeah, there you go. Really nice tactical flashlight. Comes with the ring so you can get it out the holster a lot quicker. Yeah, and well worth buying in my opinion. So if you're interested, look in the description for links to this, and there may also be a discount code. I'm not sure if it's still valid, but the discount code will be written in the description if you want it, and you can get 10% off. So there you go. There is the PT28 Oathkeeper from Brinyte. Any information I haven't mentioned will be in the description as well. Right, hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.